always make it sure to bring one of the best and one of the latest news all around the globe. Well, we already know there are some of the vaccines which are doing absolutely fantastic and are already on their last clinical trial stages, which means that in a couple of months they would be going across towards their clinical trial stages, wherein it would be sure if the vaccine is safe enough for the common people. Once it's been done, they will be having proceedings with the World Health Organization to make it sure if the vaccine should be given to common people or not. After that, they will be manufacturing the vaccine and it would be available to the common people. Well, how many of we have the question that what would be the price in which we can get COVID-19 vaccine? Well, we have one of our vaccine from India itself which has set up the price for COVID-19 vaccine already. Serum Institute of India, Pune has stated in an interview that they are going to make sure that the COVID-19 vaccine will be available only for 250 rupees per dose. It's absolutely correct. It's less than United States $3.0. Not only that, company even stated that they will make it sure that they will be having 100 million doses for India and 92 other lower middle income countries even. And as we all know that after clinical trial stages gets completed, paperwork and decision making may take some time. Till that time, Serum Institute of India has stated that they are already going to start manufacturing of their vaccine so that once it's been approved, it will be also ready for the distribution rather than going around for the time of manufacturing to make it short. In order for this to happen, one of the world's biggest foundation, that is Bill and Melinda Gates, is making to give away 150 million helping hand to Serum Institute of India. The company has earlier stated this in a statement. On other hand, Gavi, that is Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization, has promised that they will make sure that COVID vaccine by the Serum Institute of India gets distributed equitably in India and other countries. Well, coming towards the other part, one of the vaccine which has been backed by United States of America, that is Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine, has stated that they will be charging $37 a dose for its experimental vaccine, which is far more than what other companies say they plan to charge for their vaccines. However, for the time being, Moderna Incorporation is in talks with several countries for supply agreement for its experimental coronavirus vaccine. The company said on Wednesday, adding that it has already received about $400 billion deposits for the potential supply of the vaccine. The company's vaccine candidate is one of the few to be in the final stages of testing as drug makers race to develop a safe, effective vaccine against the pandemic. Last week, Moderna announced that the start of its late-stage trial on 30,000 people to demonstrate that if the vaccine was safe and effective, the final hurdle prior to the regulatory approval. It has said the vaccine could be ready for the widespread use by the end of this year. The company, which ended the quarter with $3.1 billion cash in deposits and cash equivalents and investments, said it was on track to complete enrollment in the study in September. Moderna said last month it plans to price its coronavirus vaccine, we already know, to be $37. And they even stated so that in order to immunize a person with their vaccine, at least 2 doses will be required. In that case, a person would be spending around $74 for their vaccine. Russia is on a verge to make one of the first entry for the COVID-19 vaccine. Yes. It was being stated by the vaccine maker that the COVID-19 vaccine developed by the Gamaleya Center will be registered on August 12. At the point of time being, they are on the last clinical trial stage. The trials are extremely important. They even stated that they have to understand that the vaccine must be safe or not. But yet, on the other point of time, the World Health Organization on Tuesday urged Russia to follow the established guidelines for proceeding safe and effective vaccines after Moscow announced plans to start swiftly producing COVID-19 vaccines. So maybe a possibility that Russia may take the name for the first COVID-19 vaccine, or maybe if they do not follow the procedure, World Health Organization won't state their vaccine to be safe enough for the common people. Well, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you like the video, do like the video on YouTube even, and do subscribe our channel Instant News. Do share the video to your friends and press the bell icon for future updates. Not only that, let us know in the comment whom do you feel that would be the first one to make first COVID-19 potential vaccine. It would be India, it would be America, or maybe it would be Russia. Well, I know one over here wish that you and your family both stay safe. Until then, bye.